The Middle East has become one of the fastest developing regions in the world today. Growing regions require advanced technology to supply local industry with the necessary solutions for a growing population. Based in Abu Dhabi, Process Group International services the requirements of the Middle Eastern region in areas of oil and gas production, carbon capture and storage, refining and petrochemical, energy and power generation and water treatment.
Process Group in Abu Dhabi cover the whole of the Middle East. The major advantage that we have here in Abu Dhabi is that we have a one-stop shop for process packages. We do the engineering, we can also do manufacturing, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, air coolers and modularised process equipment. We have good control because our engineers are effectively working in the same area as the production site.
Process Group International has established itself as one of the very few companies with the know-how and understanding of the operational requirements of the Middle East, an advantageous position when dealing with the region's varied cultures, an area where our company stands alone from our regional competitors.
The Middle East has some very particular requirements in terms of project specifications. Quite often they take an international oil company's standards and customise them for their own needs. So we have an expert team here that have had many years' experience working in the Middle East. So we're quite good as a sort of bespoke tailor building equipment for the exacting requirements, if you like, of our local customers.
Boasting an experienced multicultural workforce, Process Group International has built a strong reputation throughout the Middle East for proven, reliable process solutions delivered to international standards, an achievement our company is recognised for and justifiably proud of.
Process Group in Abu Dhabi was started in 2005. We started with just 2 people, but now today we have over 25 engineers and 80 guys working on the shop floor. We are qualified to build ASME pressure vessels to Division 1 standards. The factory is also ISO 9001 certified.
Heat exchange equipment is a key technology in the oil and gas process industries. Rather than rely on imported equipment, we've developed our own expertise in this vital field. This enables our company to provide tailored technical solutions by manufacturing in-house, meeting all local standards and providing benefits from Process Group's local low-cost manufacturing base.
We've recently started manufacturing our own heat transfer equipment, air coolers, heat exchangers. We work closely with Process Group in Australia, who have a thermal designer. We can obviously do the mechanical design to ASME code requirements. We see this as added value since there aren't that many companies in the Middle East that actually manufacture or can design and manufacture heat transfer equipment.
While customer standards may vary between companies and projects, Process Group is familiar with these varying requirements due to our vast experience in providing customer-based solutions throughout the Middle Eastern region, making us well placed to meet these challenges.
Many of my team have been experienced in dealing with these sort of specifications and requirements. In addition, the well fluids here can be quite aggressive. There's a lot of H2S. Which means that the metallurgical requirements and the manufacturing processes need to be customised for the needs of the region. So we are specialists in doing work for the Middle East.
Our company's ongoing development and growth throughout the Middle East can only be attributed to one thing: constant repeat business from satisfied customers, a pure complement in any industry.
We have a number of clients we've done several projects for, and particularly Dubai Electricity and Water, where we've completed 3 projects, over $50 million worth of equipment in fact. We've also doing a second contract for an EPC in Oman called Dodsal. So we are beginning to build a customer base of, if you like, repeat customers.
We're proud of the fact we're constantly approached by clients who need in-house engineering expertise, critical in producing a positive outcome when looking for answers for unconventional requirements.
We are increasingly being asked by our customers to go beyond the traditional skid-mounted package business into more turnkey type projects. And we've brought a bit of a twist to that in terms of being able to offer fully pre-assembled units, if you like, minimising the amount of site work. Obviously, particularly in the Middle East, site work is costly. It takes, particularly in the summer months, it's very hard. The efficiencies are low, So by maximising what we can do in the shop in controlled conditions, we're actually assisting in making a successful outcome for the project.
An unfortunate downside to the region's growth has been the escalation in greenhouse gas emissions. However, this ever-increasing problem now has a solution thanks to Process Group's development of carbon capture technology.
We are aware that there's a number of clients in the Middle East that are looking seriously at reducing their carbon footprint, particularly in Abu Dhabi. We believe that we have a big role to play in terms of providing post-combustion carbon capture technology. We've also been involved in projects looking at supercritical CO2 re-injection for storage. We are already involved with the power companies here in the Middle East, who are one of the biggest CO2 emitters, and we hope in future to be able to help them reduce their carbon footprint.
As Abu Dhabi and its neighbouring countries continue to expand, demanding more sophisticated engineering technology, Process Group International remains committed to working together with our Middle Eastern clients to develop and provide process solutions for your needs.